Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Whichever one it is for you, I hope that you've got your spoken English textbook ready to learn. I'm going to be here helping you learn about your speaking, reading, and writing, as well as your listening and expanding your vocabulary bank. You've got access to your online portal at www.lingportal.com. So get signing in and get practicing. Are you ready for today's topic? Let's go. Food is a necessity to survive. Every day we prepare food for ourselves, meals for our friends or family. We think about food when we are hungry, especially when you're away from home. Say you're travelling to a different place or maybe commuting to or from work. It's important to be able to speak about food in English language. This lesson will help you do just that. So, what situations might you need to speak about food in? If you think about it personally, well, maybe it's a social occasion or you're going to a restaurant with your boyfriend or girlfriend. Maybe you have certain dietary needs. You might be allergic to egg or an ingredient such as gluten. More commonly, people are now turning to veganism. This is a diet that's free from meat, dairy and eggs. Why don't you have a look into this more and look into this session? Let's take a closer look, shall we? Food is a very large topic. Food is what you eat. For example, soups, salads, sandwiches and desserts are all food. A meal. A meal is what you eat at one time. For example, your meal at breakfast might be pancakes, strawberries and syrup. At first, we should know the names of food. Milk, butter, bread, sugar, salt, eggs, fish. For meat, we can speak about the following meat: beef, pork, chicken, duck. We can speak about the following fruit: apple, banana, cherry, grape, melon, peach. Vegetables can be potato, tomato, onion. Being able to speak at a restaurant is important so that you can order your food and get what you want. Here are some words and phrases that you might need to use. I'd like a table for 2 people. Could I have a menu, please? Could I have a wine list, please? What can you recommend? I'm ready to order. I'd like salad or steak, juice, chicken or so on. I'll have the same. Can I have the bill, please? Bill. The bill shows the amount of money that is owed for what you ate at the restaurant. Tip. A tip is an amount of money that you give to thank the waiter or waitress for the service that they gave you at the restaurant. More phrases. I'm vegetarian. I don't eat meat. He likes fruit, especially apples. She likes vegetables, especially tomatoes. Bring me a glass of wine, please. I don't like lemon. Sushi is made from rice and fish. Pass some salt, please. The company picnic was delicious.
What was your favourite food?
For the main course, there were ham sandwiches and a Caesar salad. The salad dressing was perfect. Just the right amount of spice and salt.
Did you like the taste of the wine?
Yes, it tasted good. I chose the chocolate brownies. I love them. I have a sweet tooth. Also, I like the sourness of the lemonade.
Yes, it was good, but I had to add some sugar to mine. I prefer it sweeter.
I can't wait for our next company celebration.
Me too.
Have you got all those words? I think you have. You've done brilliantly. I don't know about you, but that's got me really hungry. Are you ready for tea? Or maybe you can go out with your friends to a restaurant and ask for your favourite meal in English. You've got this. And don't forget to keep learning with the Lingwiser app. I'll see you next time. Bye.